So today's the day that the old muffler's getting changing out the muffler. Yeah, well, there's nothing overly wrong with the stock muffler. It's quiet, it's pleasant, but it's damn, it's boring. So the old bike sort of will go from sounding like a 300cc postie bike or 287 to something a bit more sort of dirt orientated, but apparently with some sort of gain performance, like people say up to about 10%, but could be a placebo. Anyway, let's change her out and see how we go.
Hope it sounds nice.
For the moment,
Comes in like a postie bike, and it's not too loud.
Yeah.
Good, and that's inside an echo changer.
Yeah, that's
Okay. I don't know whether you can hear it, but she's got a nice little pop to it now. Yeah, it's not too loud. I can just hear it. Before you pretty well couldn't hear it. So yeah, you just you'd feel the res, but I can definitely hear it now, and I don't think it's too loud. I think it's yeah, I don't know, it's only just getting used to it actually. I guess it sounds a little bit like a DRZ, but not quite as thumpy. Cool. Alrighty, I'm out of here. Pack some gear away for Nundle. Yeah, so whether there's any performance gains, well, who knows? Like, if it is, it's a tiny percentage, but it definitely sounds better. Yeah, guaranteed it's lighter. It's about nearly just under 4 kilos lighter than the other one, so bike's got a bit lighter, which is always a bonus, you know. The main thing is it's lighter, looks good, sounds good, so that'll do me. All right. I'll pretty well wrap it up, and I'll catch you on the next one.